Stop scrolling, guys. If you're from Pakistan and want to make money online without any special skills, this video is for you. I'm about to break down 3 legit websites that actually pay. And the best part, you don't need to invest a single rupee to get started. Watch till the end for a bonus tip that'll help you stand out from the crowd. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, RapidWorkers.com. This one's super simple. RapidWorkers pays you to do micro tasks, stuff like signing up on new apps, watching videos, or even following Instagram pages. You don't need any experience at all. Each task pays anywhere from 10 cents to $2, and you can cash out through PayPal or even crypto, so you've got options. All you really need is a phone or laptop and a decent internet connection. Moving on to number 2, Fiverr.com. You've probably heard of Fiverr, but what most people don't realize is you can actually use tools like ChatGPT or Canva to sell gigs, even if you're not a pro. Think about it. You could offer blog writing, simple logo design, make resumes, or even do basic translations. Fiverr works great in Pakistan. You get international clients, and some gigs pay $5, others go up to $500 or more per project. Alright, third on the list, WorkChest.com. This one's pretty cool because it's made just for Pakistanis by a famous YouTuber, Hisham Sarwar. You basically set up a free profile, offer your services in Urdu or English, and you don't have to fight with freelancers from all over the world. Plus, you get paid in Pakistani rupees, straight to Jazz Cash or your bank account. And here's your bonus tip. If you want to get noticed, start by offering low prices, deliver fast, and always ask for reviews. Also, learning a bit of Canva or ChatGPT can make your gigs way more profitable, trust me. So there you have it. 3 beginner-friendly, free websites perfect for Pakistani youth in 2025. Drop your city in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to Side Hustle Sage for more ways to boost your income.